Fire King Crocosmia is a perennial bulb. Lucifer is another name, and it's hardy. Lucifer is hardy in zone 5 to 9, and you can plant it like about 2 or 3 inches deep, and well-drained, moist soil. It likes moisture, but also well-drained soil. Grows around 3 feet tall with these bright red flowers that attract hummingbirds and butterflies. It likes full sun. Lucifer Crocosmia is a bright red tubular flower that hummingbirds like, and it's a bulb that you can plant like 2 or 3 inches deep, and it might grow about 3 feet tall. And here you can see the one that goes up to my knees about. And they love moist, rich soil, and they'll bloom in late July. Hummingbirds and butterflies love it, and it's a nice, tolerable plant to put in your garden. So please subscribe to this channel, and we'll talk to you later on. Bye.